So have you noted this calculation? Please rejoin the session fast. Tell your friends to join fast so that we will continue with the problem. I want to discuss so many varieties of this such types of the problems. Rejoin fast. Join fast. Only 21 are there. Why? Hmm? Join fast. Okay, we will continue with our problem. Okay, so in the problem again, where we are at? Yes, finding out the number of bars. So number of bars will be equals to, again here is one correction. Uh, so length of sorry, the correction is for the main steel number of bars equals to longer length minus clear cover. Here that sign is been there. That is what I am searching. That clear cover they have not subtracted, but we have to subtract it. So number of bar equals to the longer length minus clear cover divided by spacing plus 1. So only left is nothing but clear cover. We have to subtract it from both the formula. That is for distribution steel also, and that is from the main steel also. So length of number of bars for the main steel equals to the longer length minus clear cover divided by spacing of the short span plus 1. That formula you have to use it. Okay, likewise the formula you have to use it. And for the uh, number of bars for the distribution steel are considered. I'm using the point here. Number of bars for the distribution steel equals to shorter span length minus clear cover that has been left over here divided by spacing of the longer span plus 1. Now if you do the calculations for this particular problem, so for number of bars for the main steel equals to longer span is your 6000 minus clear cover, it is provided as 2 into 25, that is from the both side 25 mm clear cover is provided. So minus 2 into 25 divided by spacing of the shortest span is nothing but given as center 100 mm center to center. Okay, plus 1. So we can calculate that is 5950 divided by 100. Okay, that comes as 59.50 plus 1, that is again around 60. Okay, so just a slightly calculation will going to be changed. Okay, you can do the calculations. Again I will write the formula for you for your understanding purpose if you feel it is wrong. So number of bars, you can note it down in your notebook. Number of bars for main steel, I will elaborate more for you, equals to longer length minus CC, that is clear cover. You have to take it from for the both side, divided by, I will just use the column, sorry, bracket over here. So longer length minus CC divided by shorter span, spacing of shorter span, spacing of shorter span. Okay, again here I will use again column. Here is a big column. Okay, plus 1. So this is the formula that you have to use. Number of bars for the main steel equals to the longer span minus clear cover divided by spacing of the shorter span plus 1 whole bracket, this whole bracket raised to this whole bracket plus 1. So our calculation becomes, I will again do the calculations for you for this particular problem. 6000, that is length of the longer span, minus clear cover is 50, that is 2 into 25, bracket complete, divided by, again make a bracket, spacing of shorter span for this particular problem it is given as 100, again I will complete the whole total bracket plus 1. So if you do the calculations, how many number of bars that you require, do it, that is 5950 divided by 100, that is 59.5 plus 1. If you do it, that comes equals to 60.50.5, okay, and that is again equals to the, sorry, that is again equals to the 61 number of bars, okay, 61 number of bars that you require. Are you getting this? Please use the correct formula which I have written here in this particular formula column. Okay, don't go for this, go for this which I have written on the screen. Okay, this formula you have to use. Number of bars for the main steel equals to longer span minus clear cover divided by spacing plus 1. Okay, so longer span minus clear cover divided by spacing plus 1. And for the number of bars for the distribution steel, formula becomes shorter span, shorter length minus clear cover divided by spacing of longer span plus 1. Okay, just you have to change that. Again, I will write it for you. Number of bars along the along, not along, I will use the word for distribution steel equals to, again use the for, can I use the square bracket so that yes, here it is, yes, so that again it is easy for you to understand. Okay, so shorter length minus clear cover, I will just use the short form, bracket complete, divided by, so I will just check whether there is sign of division, yes, divided by, again make a bracket, spacing of shorter span, sorry, spacing of longer span, bracket complete, again complete this whole bracket plus 1. Now do the calculation. Tell me the number of bars for the distribution steel. Do the calculations and tell me the number of bars for the distribution steel. I have written the formula. Tell me the number of bars for the distribution steel. I will ask randomly how many number of bars we require for the distribution steel. What are our calculations for the distribution steel then? Shorter length, what is the shorter length? It is 3000 mm minus clear cover is 50, that is 2 into 25, divided by spacing of the longer span. Longer span spacing, how much it is given in the problem? So I will just read for you. Spacing of the longer span, it is given as 150 mm center to center. This is your longer span now. So spacing between the longer span is given as 150 mm center to center. So 3000 minus 50 divided by 150 plus 1. Use the correct columns, okay, and then tell me the answer. Number of bars for the distribution steel. Do it. My dear students, do it. Then I will give you the next problem. How many number of bars you require for the shorter span? I will ask someone. Sanjeevani, what is the answer? Number of bars for the distribution steel. Amit ji, क्या है आंसर? Number of bars for the distribution steel. Roll number 38. Then only few students are there today. All other remain absent. Who has noted this number as 32156? I am not going to count his attendance. Who is that fellow? Roll number 28. Babar, give me the answer. Number of bars for the distribution steel. Hello? It's very simple calculation. You can do it very easily. Don't take our time. Give the answer very fast, quickly, so that I come to know whether you are in the lecture or you have just keeping the lecture on and you have kept the mobile aside and just chalo sir. I know the scenario. Okay, if somebody is not going to respond, then I will mark his absenteeism. From onwards. That means you are not paying attention towards the lecture. You have just keep the mobile on. You have logged in into the lecture and you have kept it aside, or you are doing other work, not concentrating on the things which are going on. If you are having any problem, some doubt is there, please ask me 100 times. I will resolve it. But you have to pay the attention towards the things which are going on. Rule number 13, Pooja, what is the answer? Number of bars for the distribution steel. I have given you all the calculations. What you have to do? Anything extra, anything separate? Nothing. Just put the values and get the answer. .66. Okay. Okay. We will check whether it is correct or not. So our shutter length is 3000 mm minus clear cover is 50. So 2950 divided by spacing is given as 150 mm. So our calculation is becomes 2950 divided by 150. Okay, plus 1, that equals to 20.66. Okay, very correct answer. So 20.66, that is nothing but equals to 21 number of bars. Whether it is correct? Yes, it is 21 number of bars. So after doing this, after getting the length and the number of bars, we have to prepare the schedule of reinforcement table. Okay, so what this table includes? This table includes, first column will be your serial number or the bar markings. Okay, second column will be nothing but the description of the bar. You can write the description. Okay, whether it's a bottom bar, top bar, bent up bar, main bar, steel bar, anchor bar, or whether it is for your bent up bar, whatever the description, you can write it down. So here this table is again correct, but you can take the correct format also. So our first column will be your serial number, second column will be nothing but description of the bar, so whether this is used at the bottom, bent up, top bar, or stirrups. Then third column will be your diameter of the bar. Next is nothing but the shape of the bar. Okay, next is nothing but the length of the bar. Now next will be the numbers, next will be the total length, next will be the weight of the bar in kg and the total weight. Now if I will scroll it, okay, so first is nothing but serial number. Description of the bar, you can write it as your main steel, okay, or main bar. Okay, shape of the bar is bent up bar. Our main bar is bent up bar. What is the length of that for the main bar? That length is comes as 3172 mm. I think in the previous session we have calculated that length. It is 3172 mm. That is 3 meter and 3.172 meters. Okay, so here the calculation becomes 3.172. Number of bars will be 61. It is correct. So what will be the total length? How we are going to do it? Total length calculation. Total length equals to the nothing but length multiplied by the numbers. How we are going to calculate the total length? Total length equals to length multiplied by the numbers. You can cross check my calculation. 3.172 multiplied by 61. So our answer becomes 193.492 here. Here it is 3.193. That is why calculation comes as 194. But our length is 3.172. So the calculation comes as 193.492. Weight of the bar. How we are going to calculate the weight of the bar? Diameter of bar is known to you. What is the diameter of the bar along the main steel? Diameter of bar is 10 mm. So what is the formula to determine the weight of the bar? Yes, quickly. Weight of the bar equals to the d square divided by 162. So if you divide, d is nothing but 100. So 100 divided by 162, your weight of the bar per meter is comes as 0.6172. That is 0.62 or 63 you can take. Okay, 0.62 you can take it. So 0.62, that is nothing but the weight per meter. Okay, weight per meter for 1 meter length. What is our total length? Our total length is 193.472. So total weight equals to 193.472, 93.472 multiplied by 0.62, that comes as 190, 119 kg. 119 स्टील लागते आपल्याला. 119 किलो स्टील लागते मेन बार मेन साइडनी टाकायला. ठीक आहे, मेन स्टील आपल्याला 119 किलो लागतं. ठीक आहे. In the same fashion you have to do the calculation for the distribution steel. Okay, distribution steel बारचा डायमीटर किती आहे? 6 mm आहे. शेप कसा आहे त्या बारचा? हा शेप आहे जो मी पॉइंटरनी दाखवतोय तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे, त्या डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बारची लेंथ किती आहे? डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बारची लेंथ किती काढलेली तुम्ही? एनीवन कॅन टेल मी, कारण मागच्या सेशनमध्ये आपण ती कॅल्क्युलेट केली ती, जी काय आली असेल ती 6 पॉईंट समथिंग. ओके, त्यानंतर नंबर बार्स 21 आलेले आहेत. टोटल लेंथ कशी काढणार आहे? लेंथ मल्टिप्लाइड बाय नंबर्स, दिस मल्टिप्लाइड बाय दिस, यू विल गेट दी टोटल लेंथ. वेट ऑफ द बार कसा काढताय? वेट ऑफ द बार इक्वल्स टू डी स्क्वेअर बाय 162. d is 6 mm, so 36 divided by 162, calculation becomes 0.22 or 23, just check it. And then final last column will be your total weight. How you are going to calculate the total weight? Total weight equals to total length multiplied by the weight per meter. So this column multiplied by weight per meter, that is this column, you will get the total weight in kg. So you have to do it in this particular fashion. Now is there anyone is having any problem? Otherwise I will give you one problem to solve at home, that is for the same for the slab. I will give you one problem of the slab. Anyone is having any problem? यामध्ये कुणाला काही समजलं नाही असं आहे का? प्लीज अनम्यूट अँड यू कॅन टॉक और यू कॅन पुट इट इन द चॅट बॉक्स वेदर यू आर गेटिंग एव्हरीथिंग और नॉट. समजलंय सर्वांना कसा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करायचा आहे? Everyone is getting the problem? If yes, I will share the next problem with you. Just give me some time. Okay. So I will write the problem for you. Okay, see how I am going to write the problem. Again, you will going to learn some new technique. Okay, if you are having some cord and mic with you with your laptop, I think every laptop is having. Okay, so if you want to speak something like our WhatsApp, okay, you can do it. Go in the Google Docs, in the Google Drive. Okay, in the Google Drive you have to select the Google Docs, click on it. This screen will appear, untitled document. Okay, so here in the tools there is one option, voice typing. Okay, again I will you are going to learn this new thing. Okay, so I will write type your problem. Okay, next problem. So click here, click to split. So if I speak an RCC roof slab of overall size of overall size 6500 mm into 3000 mm and thickness 150 mm is provided with 12 diameter main bars bent up alternatively bent up alternatively I will again write correctly, yeah? So just I will try to speak along the shorter span along the shorter span and placed 150 mm center to center. The distribution steel of 6 mm diameter along the longer span is provided at 200 mm center to center. The clear cover provided is 15 mm. Find out the total quantity of steel and prepare a bar bending schedule. Okay, so I will correct this whatever the problem which has been there, but it is helpful for us to write such a descriptive long problem or directly voice typing. I can write it down. An RCC roof slab of overall word is there. So some word is they are not going to take, but still you can type it. Overall size of 600 mm into that into okay, 600 mm by 3000 mm and thickness is 150 is provided with 12 mm diameter main bars, 12 mm diameter. Okay, here main bars bent. Okay, bent up alternatively. So again, Grammarly is there to help me. Bent up alternatively along shorter span. Okay, along what is there. Okay. Yes, so this is the problem that you have to solve. Okay. An RCC roof slab of overall size 600 mm by 300 mm and thickness of 150 mm is provided with a 12 mm diameter bar. Okay. Main bars which are bent up alternatively. So main bars having the diameter 12 mm and bent up alternatively kept along the shorter span. Okay. And again along the distribution side, that is along the longer span, 6 mm steel diameter steel is used along the longer span and which is provided at 200 mm center to center. Okay, 200 mm center to center with a clear cover of 15 mm. So clear cover it is being provided for this particular problem as 15 mm. We have to find out the total quantity of steel and we have to prepare the bar bending schedule. Okay, we have to prepare the bar bending schedule. Are you getting the problem? Everyone is getting the problem. See, there is a slab having the dimensions as 6500. I can draw that slab also. Okay, so this is the slab. This is the slab. And what are the dimensions which are given? Just a minute. So just a minute. This is your longer span having the dimensions as 6500. Okay, and this is your shorter span having the dimensions as 3000 mm. Okay, as 3000 mm. Here the steel is being placed likewise along this direction, along this direction. The steel is being placed. This is the slab 6500 by 3000 mm. Thickness of the slab is given as 150 mm. In the previous problem, I have shown you this cross section. Then along the main steel is being provided along the shorter span. Okay, so here is your main steel. The size of the bar which is used in the main steel is 12 mm. Okay, and which are being kept at 150 mm center to center. Okay, suppose here is the one bar, here is the second bar, here is the third bar, which has been provided. The center to center spacing is 150 mm, and the distribution steel is provided along the longer span. So this is your longer span. These are the distribution bars. The spacing between the distribution bar is given as 200 mm center to center, and they are using 6 mm diameter bar along the longer span. So along this direction they are using the 6 mm diameter bar, and you have to prepare the bar bending schedule for the same. Everyone can able to solve this problem? Are you able to solve this problem? Are you getting the previous problem? At first let me know, then we will proceed further. I will just note down your attendance. Only 33 are there. Very bad situation. ओके हां, एव्हरीवन इज गेटिंग द प्रॉब्लेम समजलाय का सर्वांना? आधीचा जो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह केलाय आपण प्रिव्हियस प्रॉब्लेम, तो समजलाय का सर्वांना? हॅलो, प्रॉब्लेम समजलाय का सर्वांना? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड मी. आधीचा प्रॉब्लेम समजलाय का सर्वांना? तर आपण हा प्रॉब्लेम डिस्कस करूया, किंवा मग उद्या आपण परत नव्याने एकदा हा प्रॉब्लेम चालू करूया. आधीचा प्रॉब्लेम समजलाय ना? मग हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करायला घ्या. त्याची लेंथ ऑफ मेन बार किती येते, लेंथ ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बार किती येते, नंबर ऑफ बार्स किती लागतात अलॉंग द मेन फॉर द मेन स्टील, नंबर ऑफ बार्स फॉर द डिस्ट्रीब्युशन स्टील किती लागतात हे फाइंड आउट करा. त्यानंतर बार बेंडिंग शेड्यूल तयार करा त्याचं अलॉंग द मेन फॉर द मेन स्टील अँड फॉर द डिस्ट्रीब्युशन स्टील, आणि मला त्याचा आन्सर द्या. ठीक आहे, तुमच्या पुढे क्लिअर कव्हर सांगितलं मी, 15 mm चं क्लिअर कव्हर प्रोव्हाइड करतोय आपण. ठीक आहे, तुमच्याकडे फॉर्म्युलेज आहेत, आणि मला याचं उत्तर सांगा किती येत आहे ते. यू आर हॅव्हिंग द 4 minutes विथ यू. जर काही प्रॉब्लेम समजला नसेल तर परत एकदा विचारा. यू कॅन पुट युअर क्युरीज इन द चॅट बॉक्स, or you can unmute and you can talk. सर हा प्रॉब्लेम समजला, हा समजला नाही. बी फ्रँक विथ मी. ठीक आहे, कारण हा खूप महत्वाचा पार्ट आहे. तुम्ही म्हणत असताल परत एकदा रिपीट करू सर मागचा प्रिव्हियस प्रॉब्लेम किंवा हा प्रॉब्लेम परत एकदा रिपीट करा, मी हाच प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करून देतो. परंतु जर मागचा प्रॉब्लेम समजला असेल जे काही शिकवलंय तर तुम्ही हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करा. आता नसेल समजला तरी परत एकदा विचारतोय, मला सांगा सर समजलंय नाही समजलंय डोक्यावरून गेलंय, प्लीज लेट मी नो. हॅलो, माय व्हॉइस इज ऑडिबल ना? हॅलो. का सगळ्यांनी मोबाईल फक्त लॉग इन करून ठेवलाय लेक्चरसाठी आणि बाजूला काढून ठेवलाय असं काही आहे का? अरे बोला रे. माय डिअर स्टुडंट्स, प्लीज स्पीक समथिंग. समजलंय नाही समजलंय? अभिजित, रोल नंबर 74. अभिजित समजलंय का? आमिर, साजन, चला कोणीतरी रिप्लाय दिलाय. मग हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करा. तरी पण सर्वांना विचारते, कुणाकुणाला समजलाय कुणाकुणाला नाही समजलाय? प्रमोद, रोल नंबर 42 समजलाय का? संतोष, ज्ञानेश्वर, प्रॉब्लेम समजलाय का नाही? समजला असेल तर सॉल्व्ह करा. रोल नंबर 16, कोण आहेत 16? प्रॉब्लेम समजलाय का? 23, 69 रोल नंबर. प्रतीक सावंत, सुभाष, प्रॉब्लेम समजलाय का? सोडवायला सुरुवात करा. रणजित, मराठी माणूस, एकट्याचंच नाव मराठीमध्ये लिहिलेलं आहे, बाकी सगळ्यांची नाव इंग्लिशमध्ये. रणजित, प्रॉब्लेम समजलाय का मागचा आणि आताचा प्रॉब्लेम सोडू शकताय का? रणजित, मोरे, रोल नंबर 44. Somebody please respond. Okay, less than 1 minute is left to conclude this session. 1 मिनिटापेक्षा कमी वेळ राहिलेला आहे आणि उद्या सकाळी आपण परत भेटूया 10 वाजता एक्झॅक्टली. टुडे इज वेनसडे ना, so tomorrow again I am having the lecture tomorrow in the morning, okay, at 10 a.m. Today sir has to take the lecture in the morning, Bosle sir, that is why he has taken my lecture. And in the after post lunch I am dealing with one of the work and that is why this delay happened. So I will take care from onwards, these things are not going to happen, but if some urgent work is there then I have to go. Okay, so tomorrow morning again we are going to meet exactly at 10 a.m. and tomorrow morning again I will going to revise the problem of this bar bending schedule once it and for everyone. Okay, so for this time I will take your leave. Goodbye, have a great day, take care of yourself as well as your family members. Thank you for attending.